Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Let's start our class. In today's class, we are going to do topic from unit number 4, Qasim's old shoes. As we have learned about Qasim's personality, he was a miser, rich man. Now we are going to learn about Dr. Goldsmith's Madison. He is a famous English poet and a dramatist, but opposite from Qasim. Qasim was a miser, but he is an extravagant person. Let's learn about him. Oliver Goldsmith, the author, who was sometimes called Dr. Goldsmith because he had studied मेडिसन. ऑलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ को डॉक्टर गोल्डस्मिथ भी कहा जाता था क्योंकि गोल्डस्मिथ ने मेडिसन स्टडी की थी, यानी कि वो मेडिसन की नॉलेज रखते थे, अद्वियात की तालीम हासिल की थी. गेव अवे सो मच टू द पुअर दैट ही हैड लिटिल मनी लेफ्ट फॉर हिमसेल्फ. और गोल्डस्मिथ ने अपनी दौलत गरीबों में खैरात कर दी, जिसकी वजह से उसके पास बहुत ही कम दौलत रह गई. Because he was a kind person. One day, a poor woman called at his house and asked him if he would come to see her husband, who was sick and would not eat any food. एक दिन एक गरीब औरत ने उसके घर कॉल की ताकि वो उसके शोहर को देखने आ सके, यानी उसका मुआयना कर सके, जो कि बीमार था और कुछ भी नहीं खा रहा था. When Goldsmith called on the family, he found that they were very poor because the man was without a job for a considerable टाइम. और जब गोल्डस्मिथ ने उनके अहले खाना से मुलाकात की तो उसे पता चला कि वो बहुत ही गरीब थे और जो आदमी था वो विदाउट जॉब था, यानी उसके पास कोई जॉब नहीं थी. फॉर अ कंसिडरेबल टाइम, लॉन्ग टाइम, लंबे अरसे तक वो बेरोज़गार था. ही डिस्कवर्ड दैट देयर वाज नो फूड इन द हाउस. और उसे मज़ीद पता चला कि उस घर में कोई भी खाने के लिए चीज़ मौजूद नहीं थी. कम एंड सी मी दिस इवनिंग, आना और मुझसे मिलना इस शाम को. सेड गोल्डस्मिथ, गोल्डस्मिथ ने कहा. टू द वाइफ, बीवी से. एंड आई विल लेट यू हैव सम मेडिसन फॉर योर हस्बैंड. और मैं तुम्हें दूंगा मेडिसन तुम्हारे शोहर के लिए. When the woman called that evening, Goldsmith gave her a small box which was quite heavy for its size. और जब उस औरत ने गोल्डस्मिथ से मुलाकात की तो गोल्डस्मिथ ने उस औरत को एक छोटा सा बक्सा दिया जो कि बहुत भारी था अपने साइज के लिहाज से. दिस इज़ द मेडिसन, ही एक्सप्लेन्ड. और उसने बयान किया कि ये दवाई है. सी दैट इट इज़ प्रॉपरली यूज्ड एंड इट विल डू योर हस्बैंड द वर्ल्ड ऑफ गुड. ये देखना कि ये अच्छी तरह से यूज़ की जाए और ये तुम्हारे शोहर को दुनिया जहान की खुशियाँ देगी. बट प्लीज़ डू नॉट ओपन द बॉक्स एंड अनटिल यू गेट होम. लेकिन इस बॉक्स को तब तक ना खोलना जब तक तुम घर ना पहुँच जाओ. What are the directions for taking it? और इनको लेने का तरीका क्या है? Asked the woman. औरत ने पूछा. You will find full directions inside the box, he replied. और गोल्डस्मिथ ने जवाब दिया कि तुम्हें इसे लेने का तरीका इस बॉक्स में लिखा हुआ है, सारा कुछ तुम्हें इस बॉक्स से मिल जाएगा. Immediately on reaching home, the woman sat down beside her husband and opened the box very carefully. और फ़ौरन ही जब वो घर पहुंची वो बैठ गई और उसने ध्यान से वो बॉक्स खोला. इट वॉज फुल ऑफ मनी. और वो बॉक्स पूरा पैसों का भरा हुआ था. ऑन टॉप ऑफ विच वॉज स्लिप ऑफ पेपर. और उसके ऊपर एक पेपर था जिसके ऊपर लिखा था बेयरिंग्स द वर्ड्स, मतलब उसके ऊपर अल्फाज लिखे थे. टू बी टेकन एज ऑफन एज नेसेसिटी रिक्वायर्स. और इसको तभी ले जब इसकी ज़रूरत हो. वंस अगेन ऑलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ हैड गिवन अवे हिज मनी टू हेल्प द पुअर. और एक बार फिर गोल्डस्मिथ ने अपनी दौलत गरीबों को खैरात कर दी या दे दी. दिस वॉज द स्टोरी ऑफ डॉक्टर गोल्डस्मिथ और डॉक्टर ऑलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ, हु वॉज अ काइंड हार्टेड मैन and gave away all his money to help the poor. Let's do exercise. Goldsmith was sometimes called a doctor because he had studied medicine. Take this option, it is the correct option. The next one is he never had enough money for himself because he gave away so much to the poor. Why was the woman's family so poor? Her husband had no job for a long time. What did Goldsmith tell the woman to do? He asked her to come and see him in the evening for the medicine. What did the box contain? The box was full of money. The instruction written on the slip of paper was to be taken as often as necessity requires. In the next question, we will write the comparison between Qasim's and Goldsmith's personality. Let's write. Kasim was a miser, but Dr. Goldsmith was extravagant. He didn't spend his money even on himself, but Dr. Goldsmith gave away all his money to poor. There is a huge contrast between these two persons' personalities. Let's do other questions from workbook. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in brackets. Now we will change these brackets into past verbs. My brother and I been at my friend's farm for a week last month. My friend's farm been full of hens, cows, birds and 2 tractors. Aunt Sima made. The second form of make is made parathas for us every morning at breakfast. We had to go with my friend Kareem to the fields to help his father. Kareem's father asked. The second form of ask is asked us to collect eggs and put them in a basket. He also allowed us to ride his tractor when he ploughed the field. We also sweep. The second form of sweep is swept the farmyard and then rested under a tree. The next question is change these highlighted words into future tense. So let's start. The first one, this year Nargis went to school for the first time. Nargis will go to school for the first time. Her mother admitted her in the kindergarten class. Will admit. In the morning the school bus picked her up. The school bus will pick her up. In the afternoon her father brought her home in his car. Her father will bring her home in his car. Nargis listened to her teacher. Nargis will listen to her teacher. She played with her classmates. She will play with her classmates and did many activities and will do many activities together. She learned new things. She will learn new things and enjoyed herself and will enjoy herself. She loved her school. She will love her school. So this is your today's class. Learn it and write it on your books. Meet you in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.